There may be hope. Successful brain transplant. Powered it up. No errors. Twisted the throttle, the wheel spun. Oh my God, I might go for a ride. Here at Joe's E-Bikes. Cerritos Beach, Baja California, sir.